Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all tomato sauce, French mother sauce recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe too at your own. I'd like to request you all, please do visit my YouTube channel, TikTok account, and Instagram too. In upcoming days, in 2026, I have a new project coming up with the cooking videos. So stay with me, all of my social apps. Thank you very much. तपाईँहरू माझमा आज भने मैले टमाटो सस यानि कि फ्रेन्च मदर ससको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। A classic tomato sauce recipe, the traditional French mother sauce version made with tomato, aromatic and light thickening. Tomato sauce French mother sauce recipe ingredients make about 4 cups. 2 tablespoons oil or butter, half cup diced onion, half cup diced carrot, half cup diced celery, 2 to 3 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoons flour optional for slightly thickening classic French style, 4 cup tomato, fresh chopped or canned crushed, 1 cup stock, chicken or vegetable stock, 1 bay leaves, 1 spring thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Optional pinch of sugar only if tomato are too acidity. Instruction: Sauté aromatics. Heat oil butter in pot. Add onion, carrot, celery, garlic. Cook until soft. Don't brown it. Add flour optional. Sprinkle flour over the vegetable and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. This helps create a slightly thickening French style sauce. Add tomato plus stock. Pour in crushed tomato, add stock, stir well to combine. Add herbs, drop in bay leaves and thyme. Simmer, bring to a gentle simmer, cook on cover for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. Blend or strain optional. For a smooth French finish, you may blend the sauce or pass through a fine sieve. Season. Add salt, pepper, and a small pinch of sugar if needed. Your tomato mother sauce is ready. Use this is the best for many dishes is to brush pasta, eggs, or turn into butter sauce like butter sauce from tomato sauce. Celery sauce, tomato, add pepper, add cayenne. Spanish sauce, tomato, add stock, add onion, add garlic, add herbs. Marinara modern, tomatoes, add garlic, add basil. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any question, do not hesitate send to me message or comment any of my posts. धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि तपाईँहरू चाहिँ मेरो प्रोफाइललाई भिजिट गर्नुहोला र विभिन्न किसिमको पोस्टर आइरहेको हुन्छ हेर्नु होला र तपाईँहरूसँग केही जिज्ञासा भयो भने सिधै तपाईँले मलाई मेसेज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै मेरो कुनै पनि पोस्ट गरेर तपाईँले कमेन्ट ठोक्न सक्नुहुन्छ। लभ यु अल, चाउ, सी यु नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो।